Alright, we're into round 6 for the evening, and this is a third year in a row that I've done one of these. Maybe it's only 3 out of the last 4. In any case, this is a yellow-orange bird pepper off of my plant, which I grew last year and overwintered. It's the first one to actually ripen. It is a Capsicum frutescens, and I actually am going to save the seeds from this. I didn't get very many pods on it this year, and I want to keep ones from each year that I have the plant. I'm not sure how long I'll keep it for, but just to save a couple seeds each year. We'll see how they match up. Anyway, ooh, that's a interesting, very pungent smell to it. I guess each year I do these, learn a little bit more about the flavor profile. A huge, basically the entire inside of the pepper just fell out. All this placental tissue, which we're gonna put that back in there and try it out. Yellow orange bird pepper 2013 out of my garden. I think the last one of the year pod test from my garden. Ooh, extremely salty, little tart. That's got a good kick to it. Just it blossomed all at once. Yeah, they're not much for flavor. You just got a good, oh, yeah, good sharp burn. Hit me in the throat as soon as I swallowed it. Yeah, flavor's not the greatest. It's got a really salty, faintly tart. So it's really pungent. What I would describe as the typical frutescens flavor. They all do have their own unique little pocket of flavor out of the ones I've tried, but generally they gravitate a little bit more pungency, more vegetable-like, or more seasoning-like rather, as opposed to some of the other species which tend to be more fruity flavored. It's building pretty strong in the throat, whole inside of the mouth just, and I'm drooling up a storm. This one got a pretty solid heat to it. Wow, that's still building. Whole top of the tongue now. Kind of low in the throat, which is, I've noticed with most frutescens, it hits low in the throat right here. Drool's going on. After that initial pungent flavor, it actually did mellow. It wasn't sweet at all, but it did mellow to that nice apple-ish type flavor, but without sugariness at all. This is actually a really solid burn on this one, which I knew the first time I ever tried them a couple of years ago. I was astounded at how much heat they packed for how tiny they were. I pegged them for 100,000. I'd say that estimate was not far off. Maybe 80,000, but definitely hovering near the 100,000 mark. This was a full-size pepper, say the size of a habanero or whatever, but still had this ratio of capsaicin, it would probably be, a couple shades under, but in the same ballpark as the habanero. And they do kick, so learn to defend yourself. Alright, well, it's on its decline, so I think I'm gonna duck out. Thank you guys for watching. Last pod test for my garden this year, and that plant will be coming back again next year. So, see you later.